Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use TastyFX demo account. The first thing I want you to do is just come here to TastyFX.com, click here on create demo account, and once you go ahead and create your account with your username, first name, password, email address, country, phone number, then click here, try our demo, and you'll be right here. Okay, then you just do the final steps. You can verify identity, and you can just acknowledge this as well. Now, after that, you will be able to access all of these accounts. Okay, if you want to add another account, you just come here, add account. I'll open the Forex platform. So click open right here. And this is our demo account, as you can see. And I'm able to trade Forex. So right now it is euros/USD. That is the Forex currency. I can bring this anywhere I want. So you can see the sell and buy price. You can choose lot sizes that you want to buy. Let's say one lot. If you want to add a stop loss, you can do that as well. You can add your take profit, right? You'll see your margins as well. So you can enter the information. You'll see your margins, resulting positions, and you can place your trade. So let's say you want to buy one lot. Okay, you'll see your funds right here, your profit/loss, your margin, your available balance, cash rebate. And if you want to add funds, you just click here, add funds, right? And then you can just make a deposit. Now, these ones are usually for live accounts, but for demo accounts, we have right here, you choose what you want, right? And you'll see your funds. We have 10,000. And here you'll see payments, deposits, but this one's just a demo account. So we'll come back to our dashboard right here where we were trading. Okay, so we'll come back here, open the platform again, just show you how to place just a simple trade. We'll say you want to buy one. Okay, you just come here, place a trade of one lot and hit buy. As you can see, we have placed a trade, but for that, of course, you need enough funds there. And if you want, you can go and use another one of these charts. So Great British Pound/USD, you'll see the charts right here. And it's a very simple demo account. Once you verify it, you will have more funds. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.